It took me a long time to figure out funny, creative way to start my talk. Months, as a matter of fact, I've come up with nothing, colors. Probably not a very exciting topic to most of you, if any of you at all. Nevertheless, they are everywhere and affect our visual and perceptions. Concerning the topic of color, there are few things I could talk about. I could talk about color theory, how certain color combinations are used to achieve certain effects in arts. I could talk about color association. What we associate certain with can vary from country and culture to culture. But today I'm here to talk about color psychology, the study of hues and detriments to human behavior. Now I know color psychology already. I mean, how could something as simple as just color really affect us that much? Well, the color orange makes you more hungry, whereas the color blue is an appetite suppressant. The color pink has been found to calm violent craziness, whereas extreme amounts of the color yellow make baby cry, and that's only a few ways the color can affect. So I decided to conduct my little experiment. I drew 3 different pictures and then made duplicates of where the only thing that changed was the color. The first one, I changed the color that tinted the entire drawing. The second one, I changed the entire monochrome, and in the third one, I only changed 1 or 2. I will show each pair and then ask them questions corresponding with each one. The first pair of pictures, I asked which one looks more appetite, with the assumption that most seeing warm color trigger your appetite way more than cool color do. 90% of people pick the warm color one. The next pair, I asked which picture looks more, with the assumption that most people would pick same pink has been proven to be a calming color. 70% of people pick the pink one. With the last pair, I asked which person feels more threatening, with the assumption that most would pick as red is often processed as danger in our mind. 70% of people pick the red one. So that's a few examples of how certain colors affect us. But why do they affect us like this? What is the science behind it? Well, as in to do with our psychology, is in our brain, see light travel, and each color has a different wavelength. These different wavelengths hit our eyes and transfer through our eyes as electrical impulses, which go to our brain, specifically the hypothalamus, that thing right there. And here's the thing about the hypothalamus in our body, such as sleep and behavioral patterns, appetites and metabolism and body temperatures, just to name a few things. So that's how and why certain colors affect us. But where is this used in life? Well, it's used in variety, including advertising, set design, and costume design. Just things you look at. So those are kinds of the basics of color psychology. But there is one thing that makes studying color psychology really difficult, and that's the previously mentioned color association. See that the person associates will obviously affect how they perceive it and react it. Let me just give you an example. Usually the color yellow is seen as a very happy color. That's what most people associate with. But just picture this moment. A mother out who is playing with the ball. The child drops the ball and follows it into the street. Suddenly, a bright yellow color jumped by and hit the child. The mother only sees the blur of its yellow, but she sees injured child. Now the mother will forever associate with danger and her injury as opposed to happiness. Nevertheless, color psychology is some food for thought. Thank you.